We are starting a junk journal in 2025. If you don't know what a junk journal is, you've probably been living under a rock or you're not on the same side of the internet that I am. But it's basically a combo between like a scrapbook and journaling, and also just using a bunch of random junk that you keep throughout your life and creating cute journal spreads through it. I'm so excited to get started on mine, and I thought the perfect way to get started was to do a little goal setting session. And we're going to put my 2025 bingo card in here. I don't know whose idea it was to come up with a bingo card instead of a vision board, but I'm obsessed. I'm a very goal-oriented person, so I love being able to check off the boxes. I love being able to see it visually without having to see just a bunch of random pictures. Obsessed. So that's what we're going to work on today. It's going to be a mixture between like personal goals and also professional goals as a hairstylist. So if you're interested in how I set up my junk journal and do my 2025 bingo card and goals, then make sure to keep watching. I'm going to show you guys what I have started on my spread just because it's fun. So this page I'm not completely finished with. It's just like my opening page with my picture, and then I'm going to put 2025 journal underneath this or something along those lines, maybe just 2025. But I got some cute little stamps that haven't come in yet. And then this page, I'm going to add a photo of myself, and then I'm going to write a letter to myself to read in next year. So that is exciting. I love the idea of doing a letter to yourself. So I just put a little envelope that I ripped up in here, and then I'm going to stick the letter inside, and it's going to be so cute. And then here we have the bingo card. So I already kind of set it up so that it was easy. On this side, I want to have just like a little checklist of my goals and section them out into different categories. So this will be my personal goals, salon goals, finance goals, and then like my online business goals like YouTube, TikTok, all of those things. So I'm going to keep those over here. This is going to be the same thing, except for they're just going to be things that I can check off easily. We're going to focus on this side today. I might show you guys this later, to be continued on how long this video is, but I'm excited to do a little spread of all my goals. And I think that I'm going to do something cool. My husband gave me the idea that once I check off a box, no matter which way it goes, I can treat myself with like a little reward, like a coffee out or whatever. So that is the goal for the spread. I'm really excited. Personal on the top right. Salon. Online. Finance. We'll start with my online goals just because those are very measurable and attainable goals. So these are going to be post 3 carousels per week, 3 short form videos, and 1 YouTube video. Obviously, subscribers and view count and likes are all things that I am unable to control. So I didn't necessarily want to make goals about those because I can't check them off if I'm not the one who controls them. All that I can control is the content that I put out and hope that you guys enjoy it. So we're going to keep that for my online goals. So I'm going to put no unnecessary spending. I'm definitely a spender, but we are building a house currently, and I really need to cut back on my frivolous spending. So we're going to do no unnecessary spending, no DoorDash, because there is absolutely no reason that I should be spending that much money ordering food. I think while I'm at it, I'm just going to go ahead and delete the app off my phone so I'm not tempted to order something stupid. I would like to save $43,200. That's a very random number, but there's a reason to that. It has to do with something that we want to do with the house. So $43,200. I want to sell any excess stuff. I just have like a lot of things that I've accumulated that I definitely don't need to keep around my house. I don't know that that's a financial goal. I guess the money that I use, the money that I get from that, I could definitely use for savings. More than anything, that's just like a goal for me because we are building a house. I don't want to take a bunch of random crap from the apartment into the house as well. And then pay off bills, which this will actually be done soon. We had a baby who was in the NICU, and so we had lots of medical bills to pay off, but thankfully we're almost done with all of those. So we have those goals for online business and then finance goals. Let's move on up to personal. I would like to be healthier, but I'd like to put a number on this and say that I want to lose 15 more pounds. I've already lost 27, so we're doing pretty good there. And then for our relationship, I would love to do one baby-free date per month. If you're not a parent, that is much harder than you would expect it to be, because before we had Baylor, I was like, oh yeah, like we'll go out once a week. Now I'm realizing how difficult that is and that we actually need to have this goal set. And then I want to do a weekly cleaning routine. I'm very bad to do just like one deep clean per week when I really just need to have like an easy cleaning routine that I can do daily and know exactly what I do each day. Salon, I would like to get certified in one new service, to take one class from someone who I admire a lot, or custom frontal extensions. Post on our salon page daily. Promote my hair loss system because I feel like it's done amazing things and I'm really bad to not promote it. Do better about actually upcharging for extra mixes on color. So I have these done so far. These are my like must do goals for the year. I'm going to add these into the bingo card, and then we obviously have more spaces available, I believe. So I'm just going to add those in, and then we'll see where we need to fill in with other goals as well. For my bingo card, I want to make it very fun and visual, and I have lots of stickers. I get a lot of my stickers on Michaels and Etsy if you want to do the same thing for yours, but I'm just going to go through and kind of see what fits my goals with my stickers. Let's add in this little weigh-in sticker, which is so cute, and I'm going to put lose 15 pounds. We had a date night sticker too, which worked out perfectly, so we will add this up here. I'm going to use this little paid sticker, and we're going to do that for paying off our medical bills. Adorable buy less, choose well sticker for my no unnecessary spending. And I'm just going to leave that as a sticker on its own because I obviously know what that means. And then we're doing this little by little sticker for selling excess stuff. Okay, we're going to add this little blank money sticker because it has a house on it, which is perfect for our house savings. So we're going to save $43,000 on that little sticker. My meals. So I have something for lunch. One that says clean house. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's the little things in life that make me happy, truly. Here's a little Bible sticker, which totally will do the trick. We have all of our personal goals in and all of our finance goals in. Let's go ahead and move on to salon goals. A little computer for making daily salon posts. There's a little hair appointment sticker. So we will do that one for sticking to my prices for extra mix. Some of these I'm not going to have a sticker for, but I will add just like cute little decor stickers. So I've got some like green stars right here. So I'm just going to add one in for promoting Derive. Upsell some more custom front extensions because that is something a lot of people could benefit from, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So okay, this one's a little random, but I'm going to use a homework sticker for getting certified in a new class. And I'd like to schedule one more class from someone who I just love. That fills out all of my salon stuff, and then I only have 3 more left to add in. So obviously we're going to have to throw in a few fun things. But let's do our online stuff first, and then we'll go from there. decide you want it more than you're afraid of it, which is definitely how I feel about my online journey. It's definitely been like touch and go for me, but this is the year that I am truly focusing on it, and I am excited to see how it goes. So we're going to do this for posting one YouTube video a week. A little work at home sticker, which I think is perfect for one of these. So I do this for 3 short form videos per week. On a cute little heart, so we'll just use him for that. Three. We have 6 more spots to fill in, and I feel like we have some pretty lofty goals here. Some of them are not too difficult, but some are going to take me all year, obviously, to completely finish. So I thought it would be fun to add in some cutesy little things. So for our free space, we're of course going to use my birthday. So I need to find a sticker that fits in the little box, and we're just going to put turn 28 because obviously that makes the most sense. Add this cute little flower sticker in the middle, the bingo card without a free space. Got all our adorable little stickers on. Now let's add in some fun things. So I already thought of one that I definitely want to do, and that is see a concert. I don't even care who I see. I used to go to concerts all the time, and I haven't been to one in a long time. So let's go to a concert. Take one big trip for the year to thrift furniture for the new house. Fun one, but I want to read 100 books. I've been very into reading, and I think that this is an attainable goal for me. We'll see now that Baylor's going to be bigger and napping a little less often. But last year I started reading in July, and I read 50 something books. So I feel like 100 for the whole year shouldn't be too hard, but we'll see. I may totally fail at that one. Keep up with my junk journal. I don't want this to be any kind of like pressure. More so, I just want to enjoy doing this hobby because I don't really have a hobby for myself. So I would love to keep up with my junk journal this year so I can go back and see all of the fun things that we had going on. And then we have a scrapbook that I have literally wanted to finish since we got married, and we've almost been married for 5 years. So I want to finish and update our personal scrapbook. Okay, so we have our junk journal spread finished. I think it's so adorable. I am obsessed with how my bingo card turned out for the year with all the cute little stickers. I hope you guys enjoyed filling out my junk journal with me. I had so much fun doing this and doing my little 2025 bingo card. This is definitely not what my page is about, but I do think goal setting is so important, and I think that I'll hop on every once in a while and do a cute little junk journal spread with you. But I am sharing all of my spreads over on Lemonade if you want to follow me on there. So you can go ahead and follow that down below, and of course subscribe if you're a hairstylist and interested in any more of my content. Hope you guys have a great week.